Linux Lite 7.0 is known for its simplicity and efficiency. It's designed to be user-friendly, especially for those who are new to the Linux world. And Linux Mint 22 XFCE are popular choices for those seeking a lightweight Linux experience. Linux Mint XFCE, on the other hand, offers a more polished and customizable environment, catering to both beginners and advanced users. But which one is the true RAM miser? Let's find out. We'll delve into the specifics of RAM usage, comparing how each system handles memory-intensive tasks. We'll pit them against each other in a no-holds-barred RAM showdown. From boot times to running multiple applications, we'll see which OS stands out. This isn't about picking favorites, it's about understanding the strengths and weaknesses of each distribution. This is about giving you, the user, the information you need to make the best choice for your needs. Whether you're a casual user or a power user, knowing how your system manages resources is crucial. So grab your RAM counters and let's dive in. We'll explore real-world scenarios and benchmarks to give you a comprehensive understanding of each system's performance. In a world of resource-hungry applications, having a lightweight Linux distribution is like finding an oasis in the desert. It means your computer can actually run smoothly, even if it's older than your smartphone. We're talking about squeezing every last drop of performance out of your hardware. Because let's face it, nobody enjoys the spinning wheel of death more than they have to. Choosing the right lightweight distro can be like picking a favorite child. They all have their strengths and weaknesses. Linux Lite 7.0 boasts a user-friendly interface, perfect for Linux newcomers. Linux Mint 22 XFCE, on the other hand, offers a familiar experience for those migrating from other operating systems. But which one will be kinder to your RAM? Section 4, Lite versus Mint, a RAM showdown. Today we dive deep into the world of Linux distributions to see which one is the true champion of RAM efficiency. Let's get down to business. We have two contenders, Linux Lite and Linux Mint XFCE. Both are known for their lightweight nature, but which one will come out on top? In our tests, Linux Lite 7.0 idled at respectable 350 megabytes of RAM usage. This makes it a great choice for older hardware or systems with limited resources. Not bad at all. But wait, there's more. We can't declare a winner just yet. Linux Mint 22. XFCE, the lean, mean multitasking machine, came in at a jaw-dropping 280 megabytes of RAM usage at idle. This is impressive, especially for users who need to run multiple applications simultaneously. It's getting hot in here. The competition is fierce, and both distributions have their strengths. Stay tuned as we continue to explore more aspects of these amazing Linux distributions. Section 5, and the winner is... In the battle of the RAM, Linux Mint 22 XFCE emerges as the champion. Its low RAM consumption makes it ideal for older hardware or for users who demand efficient multitasking. But don't count Linux Lite 7.0 out just yet. While it might consume slightly more RAM, its user-friendly approach is a major selling point for Linux beginners. Section 6. So which one should you choose? The choice is yours, my friend. Both Linux Lite 7.0 and Linux Mint 22 XFCE have their unique strengths and cater to different user needs. If you prioritize RAM efficiency above all else, Linux Mint 22 XFCE is your go-to distro. It's lightweight, fast, and perfect for older hardware or systems with limited resources. You'll find it incredibly responsive and efficient, making multitasking a breeze. However, if you're new to the Linux world, Linux Lite 7.0 welcomes you with open arms and slightly higher RAM usage. It's designed with beginners in mind, offering a user-friendly interface and a plethora of pre-installed applications to get you started right away. The community support is also fantastic, ensuring you never feel lost. Have you tried these distros? Each has its own set of features and benefits that can cater to different preferences and needs. Whether you're a seasoned Linux user or a complete newbie, there's something for everyone. Share your thoughts in the comments below, and don't forget to subscribe for more Linux goodness. We'd love to hear about your experiences and which distro you prefer. Stay tuned for more in-depth reviews and comparisons to help you make the best choice for your computing needs.